Hello and welcome to Namra's Studies Fair. Today I'm going to make a video on IGCSE Biology Foundation. We are starting with Unit 1, the nature and variety of organisms. These 8 characteristics are the universal rules that define a living organism. So let's master them right now. Number 1 is nutrition. This is the process of taking in nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and minerals to provide them with the energy they need and the raw materials for growth and repair. Number 2, respiration. This is a vital chemical process that happens inside the cells to release energy from food. Now, many students make the same mistake over here. They confuse the respiration with breathing, even though respiration is a reaction that creates energy and breathing is just a gas exchange. Make sure to differentiate that in your notes. Let's go next. Next is excretion. This is the removal of waste products that are toxic to the body like carbon dioxide and urea. If these stay in the body, they cause harm, so they must be removed. I hope you got till here, students. Let's go to the next slide. So it says sensitivity, also called as response. This is the ability to detect and react to changes or stimuli in their surroundings. This is how you find food and how a plant grows towards the light. Now you know how plants make food. So next is movement. Every organism moves. Animals move their entire body. Now another mistake over here, which students get confused, is that plants move too. Their roots move towards water and their leaves moves towards the sun. Be sure to include the plants in your definition as an example. Next is control, also known as homeostasis. So homeostasis is the process of maintaining a stable internal environment like keeping your body temperature or water level constant. This allows the best conditions for all cell reactions to occur. Let's go next, reproduction. Reproduction is about producing offspring. The key point over here is the process of reproduction is not the survival of the individual, but the survival of the entire species over time. Make sure you know that. So the growth and development, all living things have a permanent increase in size and change in complexity until they reach their mature adult form. There's an extra exam revision tip. You guys, please remember the mnemonic for Mrs. Green. If you just remember Mrs. Green, you will know how the 8 characteristics are there. The 8 characteristics, Mrs. Green: movement, respiration, sensitivity or response, growth, reproduction, excretion, nutrition, and just remember control, also known as homeostasis. Hope you enjoy my video and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.